In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts in Thinkorswim. Alerts are a great way to keep an eye on price without staring at the screen all day, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, reliable alert on any chart. First, make sure you have a chart open for the symbol you care about. Double-check you're on the correct ticker and the time frame that matches your trading or investing plan. It helps to zoom in on the price area you're watching so you can choose a level with confidence. If you're tracking a key support, resistance, or a round number, have that in mind before you place the alert. Next, right-click anywhere on the chart where the price candle or the background is visible. You don't need to click precisely on a line or a bar. Clicking on the empty chart area works just fine. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works as the right click. Avoid right-clicking directly on complex drawings or indicators if you don't see the alert option right away, and try a clean spot on the chart instead. From the menu that appears, choose Create Alert. This opens the alert window where you'll define exactly what should trigger your notification. Start by picking the price type. Last is the most common choice and tracks the most recent traded price. Bid focuses on what buyers are offering, and Ask focuses on what sellers are asking. If you're monitoring stocks, last usually makes the most sense. If you're timing entries around spreads or the depth of market, Bid or Ask can be more precise. Now choose the condition. At or above will trigger when price touches your level and moves higher, while at or below will trigger when price touches your level and moves lower. Think about your intent. For a breakout above resistance, at or above is useful. For a breakdown or pullback to a support level, at or below is the better fit. Picking the wrong direction can lead to early or missed alerts, so take a second to confirm it matches your plan. Enter the exact price level that should trigger the alert. Type it in carefully, and consider using a level that reduces noise, like just above resistance or just below support, so you're alerted on meaningful moves rather than minor wiggles. Finally, click Create to set the alert. You should see confirmation on the chart, and from this point forward, Thinkorswim will watch that level for you. That's all there is to it. Open the chart, right-click, create the alert, choose the price type and condition, set your level, and click Create.